welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shalynn, and in today's video I'm bringing you a Dr. Martens unboxing and review. So in this video I picked up the Doc Martens Jadons, girl, however you say it. I picked them up. They're basically the Doc Martens with the thick platform bottom. So I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys and also do a wear test. A lot of people feel as though Doc Martens are super duper uncomfortable and hard to break in, so I wanted to put these Doc Martens to the test in this video. So without further ado, let's get straight into the unboxing. Okay babes, so let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. I did want to let you guys know that I picked up my Dr. Martens from Journeys because unfortunately they are sold out on the Dr. Martens website. They've been sold out on there for a long time.
A long periodically time.
So I decided to go ahead and get them from Journeys instead. I did want to let you guys know these boots are not cheap. These boots retail for $180, okay? Which is a lot of money, but I really wanted these boots for some time, so I decided to go ahead and invest in them. So let's go ahead and get into the box. And I got a $5 off your $25 or more purchase. Thank you, Journeys. Okay, so this is the box that they come in. I picked mine up in a US size 4. So this is a men's size 4, women's size 5. Ah, they're so cute, I can already tell. Okay, so this is the boots that I am referring to. So these are the Dr. Martens Jadon boots. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so cute. I love the thick platform because you guys know I am 5 foot, 5'1" on a good day. So I absolutely love this boot. Now this boot does feel a little heavy, so I'm curious to see if they feel heavy on my foot. They come packaged with all of this tissue paper and then also an official Dr. Martens tag on it as well. It also has this little detailing on the back of the boot as well. And so here are the two boots side by side. I'm not gonna lie guys, these boots feel really heavy, so I hope they don't feel as heavy on foot. But I absolutely love these boots. I know they're not everyone's cup of tea, but honey, they're mine. Let me go ahead and try them on right now with you guys. So I have the Doc Martens on right now. I currently have on sweatpants. This is not exactly how I would plan on styling them, but I did want to give you guys kind of like a first impressions of what they feel like to me on foot. Do they feel the most comfortable? No. I walked around, paced around a little bit in my house. They are not the most comfortable right now, not gonna lie. They do feel a little heavy, but I think that might be solely to the fact that when they come, they aren't laced all the way up. I'm curious to see how my feet feel after wearing them for an entire day. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me so you guys can get all my final thoughts, all my opinions as I'm wearing these boots throughout the day. So random and quick update, as I'm walking around, it literally feels like I grew. I don't know how to explain it. I literally feel like I'm walking on clouds, but it doesn't feel like clouds. Like, it's not comfortable, but I literally feel like so much taller. I probably feel like I'm 5'1" right now, which is like, it's different, okay? I didn't know life was like this up here, okay? Okay, y'all, so I'm not even gonna lie to you. I completely forgot. Well, I didn't forget. I didn't go anywhere or do anything, so I didn't really get to do a full wear test. So today's actually the next day, and I'm actually gonna run some errands. I'm gonna go grocery shopping, go to the mall for a little bit, and let you guys know what happens with the shoes. I did wanna let you guys know they're definitely not broken in yet. I have them on right now. And your girl's feet is hurting. And my feet are killing me. The back of my heel hurts, and again my big toe. So okay y'all, I cannot make this up. My feet are
killing me. Like literally, like I feel like there's blisters on the back of my heels, and I feel like my big toe is about to fall off, literally. So I'm headed home, thank God, because my feet are killing me, and I'm thinking about trying to return these boots and get my money back.
Okay babes, so I'm back and it is the next day because your girl's feet was on fire, okay? Your girl was struggling yesterday. I was in so much pain and I wanted to sleep on my thoughts. I wanted to sleep on how I was feeling, and your girl has blisters on her feet. The blisters on my feet are huge, okay, you guys? I'm gonna insert clips so you guys can see. My number one recommendation if you guys are gonna pick up this boot is to protect your feet. Wear any sort of bandages or wear any sort of blister bandage, or girl, wear really thick socks as well, just so your foot and your heel is not rubbing up against the shoe because it's so uncomfortable, you guys. But nonetheless, I still love the boots. I'm going to keep them, even though yesterday I was thinking and I was considering Poshmark, Depop, Macari, you know, whatever could sell them first. I'm gonna give them another chance, you guys, not no time soon. Okay, we gotta let the feet heal. But I still think these boots are super duper cute. Don't know just yet if they're worth the price. I feel like what would make them worth the price is definitely how they feel on foot, and of course, how many times I can get wear out of them. I'm so concerned about if they're gonna feel like this all the time. So if you guys want me to do another video on these, maybe like a month later, once I've broken them in, hopefully they break in, we'll see. But if you guys want an update on these, or if you have any questions about these boots, be sure to go ahead and leave them down below in the comment section and I will answer that for you, babes. But make sure you turn on your post notifications because I have a new video coming this Sunday, and I'm actually gonna be doing a winter coat collection. And girl, if you're short or petite, you might wanna tune in, okay? So I will see you guys on Sunday, and I love you so much. Bye.